Hello, this is Joe Chadwick, Business Manager here at Lexus in Stoke. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of our loyal Lexus customers for their continued support throughout this year. We'd also like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. After a very successful year for both Lexus Stoke and also the Lexus brand overall, we're looking to finish off the year in style with a big flourish and a big celebration running up to the Christmas time period. We'd therefore like to invite you to come and join us for our Lexus December to Remember event, where we're going to have some Christmas cashback offers on our new Lexus vehicles, some fantastically well priced approved used vehicles, and also some offers on both Lexus accessories and Lexus service plans. So why don't you come down and join us for a glass of mulled wine and a mince pie and help us with the celebrations. Thank you all again, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.